It's known as the game of chess. Webster University has the #1 chess team in the world known as the Spice Team, and these players are kings of their game, and masters of patience and time. Some people think that chess isn't a sport.
They don't think it has the athleticism to it.
But let me assure you, this takes endurance. It's difficult to move the world's largest chess piece, but you don't need to exhaust yourself like this to get into the sport of chess. So, what is the definition of sport? Dictionary.com defines sport as an athletic activity requiring skill or physical prowess, and often of competitive nature. Let's focus on this definition onto 3 areas: athletic activity, skill, and competition.
When you see players competing in some top-level events, they are true athletes in every sense of the word. They will expend just as many calories as a football player during a football game. They'll lose weight during a long match. In fact, when Garry Kasparov and Anatoly Karpov played their world championship match, Karpov actually lost 22 pounds during the match because of all the energy he had to exert.
To understand the skill behind chess, let's review the rules of the game. The rules of chess are simple. There are 2 players on opposite sides, one white, one black. One by one, each player moves one of their 16 pieces to advance the board. Each piece is limited to the type of movement it can make. The goal of the game is to capture the opponent's king and a checkmate. Once checkmate is made, the game is over. The skill here is to think ahead of your plan to capture the king, and to block your opponent from capturing your king. The Spice members were trying to solve this puzzle in a recent team activity. White is to move, and black is to win. There are more chess moves possible in one game than there are stars in the sky. It even took 6 Grandmaster Spice members 20 minutes to figure out the solution.
Queen D8, and then I'll find some move. Okay. Don't worry.
Very nice.
Chess is a highly competitive sport. A rating system was developed to determine the value of each player and their ranking amongst others. The United States Chess Federation is associated with the World Chess Federation. The USCF has developed their own rating system. The ratings are determined by the amount of wins and the number of games played in the player's lifetime. The first female Grandmaster is Susan Polgar. Polgar is the director of the Spice Team.
In fact, chess is part of the International Olympic Committee, and in many countries it's part of the Olympic program. But actually behind soccer is the second largest sports federation in the world, with over 175 member countries.
The World Chess Hall of Fame is located here in St. Louis. The Hall of Fame is equipped with a museum of chess artifacts as well as the Hall of Fame. Among the inductees are Bobby Fischer and Benjamin Franklin.
And then, do you think chess is a sport?
By my definition, yes, because it does take a lot of mental effort and physical effort to move the pieces.
Oh, definitely. Oh, chess is awesome.
And that's Checkmate. This is Josh Koppenbarger
And Haley Luke
for the Webster Journal.